Hi, we're the Bullhead Municipal Media Crew, and we're on a mission to prove our small community is packed with awesome things to do. To succeed, we're going to do them all. This is our journey.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Bullhead by the Horns. TV4 Crew here, but we've got an extra special surprise.
Oh, is it?
This is Quincy. He is our new intern. You might have seen him a little bit in the last episode helping us out with the cameras. He just got hired on and he's going to be filling in the gap, the absolutely horrible hole that he'll need to fill when Andrea and I leave. I'm going to NAU. I'm spreading my wings to soar intellectually to get a cinematography degree. So pray for me, please.
Where are you going, Andrea?
UNLV, still a study. Get my degree in science and media.
And we'll be here.
Doing this still.
All right, we're here today at the 2018 Bullhead City Splash Bash. We've got bouncy slides and a slip-in slide, and we've got water balloon war area going on. We've got open pool and the splash pad, and we're going to make the most of Christian and Andrea's last day and Quincy's first official day here as a part of our crew. And let's get going.
Sweet, go.
Little man here is excited. He's very angry
I
at
am
me
very
because
excited.
he hasn't been able to do anything. Yes, you are, little man.
Little man.
All right.
That's a good cut. Been here for?
No, not.
Kenny, what's your opinion on the music?
You know, the music really captures the vibes of the teenage spirit out here in Bullhead City.
Free!
Free!
Hey, look it! Look at those blue things. See? Those are blue snow cones.
How is it?
Yummy.
I'm making some snow cones, buddy.
And how do you do that?
You open the ice and you pour it inside of this thing right here. And then you click this button. Ready? Ice, buddy.
I want to go to the pool.
Okay, let's go.
We just had some ice cones. I love some ice cones.
There she is. She's so brave.
It feels so good. Go.
Oh, don't leave me now.
Feels so good, okay.
Pose for a second.
When was the last time you got on a swing, Andrea?
Oh, this is really hot. It was about a year ago.
I think the last time I seriously rode a swing set, a kid spit in my mouth.
Okay, how do I stop?
You... Woo! If we can't swing, we can't live. We can't fight. This is my inspirational speech on a swing.
Are you running out of breath?
Sup? That hurt my tuchus.
exhilarating.
I set the camera and I'm on my knees just
We're at the pool, and the only person holding a camera and doing his job is 4 years old. The hardest worker of TV4 staff right now, right there. Because all my other employees right now decided that filming wasn't important and that they could just forego their job and play around and not record any of it because, you know, we're not here to film or anything.
Hey, Mackenzie.
What am I gonna do in Vegas?
Yeah.
Go to school.
For what?
Graphic design. Hopefully.
I'm George Washington. This takes me back.
What are you going to do at NAU?
I'm going to study filmmaking, which is probably the most ill-advised thing I've ever done. So.
Just go in there.
We'll get you a hot dog.
Nobody complimented my new nails. Why? I did. Why don't you guys notice me?
Andrea, your nails are beautiful.
Andrea, your new nails look like you could adequately defend yourself from attackers.
Wait, let me zoom in. Okay, and yeah.
I caught it.
Oh my God! I missed, Christian! She won't break! Oh, yeah. Guys, work as a team!
I saw my best mates get ballooned right in front of me.
In the trenches, man. The water flows over on top of you.
It was fun.
So we need to thank our sponsors because this event would not be possible without the Bullhead City sponsors. Our premier sponsors for this are Dot Foods, Mojave Electric Co-op, Mojave Community College, and Anderson Auto Group. Those are our premier sponsors for this event this year. It would not be possible without them. If you want to sponsor the 2019 Splash Bash, you need to get a hold of Jackie Walker, the sponsorship coordinator for the city of Bullhead City.
Hey, you're good.
We hope to see you again next year, and
We're out.
Christian and Andrea may come back for cameos in future episodes, but they're leaving us. So please wish them a very special goodbye.
And be nice to Quincy. Feels lovely.
Be nice to Quincy. He's new. He's awesome. And we are also looking for volunteers at all times. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe to this video.
Hello, listen. If you don't comment, like, subscribe, and share this on every social media platform you have, I'm dropping out of college, and I'm gonna ask change for my life. I'm gonna panhandle.
Andrea, do you have any final words?
Quincy's okay.
Last words ever on the show, and that's what you're gonna say?
Yeah.
I love Bullhead
you
City.
guys.
I love what this show has given to me, and I feel like I'm a better person. And that's it.
Sweet. All
Bye.
right, Quincy, it's mine and your time.